Okay, today we have a 2006 Ford F150 engine 4.6 two-wheel drive, 8 cylinders. When I replace the transmission mount, I just replaced the engine mount, so I'm gonna replace the transmission mount as well, since I just replaced the other two. So this one it will be easier. All you gotta do is your jack and a piece of wood support the transmission underneath, or a transmission jack, whatever is easy for you or whatever you have available. Okay, I just bought the transmission mount for I think like $26, $27 right here at O'Reilly Auto Parts. O'Reilly Auto Parts. Hey, okay, my bad. I just get kind of excited sometimes. Okay, so this is the transmission mount, and I'm gonna show you the instruction on the manual how to do it. There's two versions: the one for four-wheel drive and the two-wheel drive. Fortunately, we have the four-wheel drive because on the two-wheel drive we have the four-wheel drive. You need a little more extra work. Okay, so this is a two-wheel drive. Okay, let's see it. Here is the specifications, so you can write it yourself. This is for four wheels. If you have a four-wheel drive, you gotta remove the flange of the shaft and blah blah blah. Make sure the marks are there and blah blah blah. But fortunately, we're gonna do the two-wheel drive, which is a simple one. Okay. What we gotta do is remove all these pieces right here. Just follow instructions right here. Just read them, and we go from there. Oh, my bad. I just changed. Okay, here you are. If you need any information about this manual, just let me know. I just downloaded it online for free. It's free. It's out there online for free. I can't remember where I went to, which site I went to get it, but I just downloaded. This is not my car. This is my brother-in-law's pickup. I'm not a professional mechanic. I just do all my my handy. I'm a handyman. I just do this for a hobby. I don't do this for life. Okay, so this is all you gotta do. If you want a torque, here is the torque specifications, and then everything else just is pretty simple. It's not a big deal. It's not a huge deal. On the page on your right hand side, that's when you want to remove the transmission itself, but we just gonna do replace the transmission mount. Okay, I just let you to pause or whatever, hold the screen once you read all this content. Okay, and then I'm gonna jump to start doing the rest of the stuff. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, primero usen W40, W40 a los tornillos para aflojarlos, okay, que están exactamente allá, miren. Porque a veces están bien duros, depende cuánto tiempo tengan y no quieren andar batallando ustedes para andar cambiando eso, que se les vaya a quebrar o algo, ¿ok? Vamos a aflojarlos de allá, acá adentro también, porque están acá adentro. Dicen que aflojemos aquí el cross members, pero vamos a ver cómo le hacemos, ¿ok? Dice que quitemos, aflojemos aquí y allá, pero vamos a echar W40 en todos los tornillos para que estén flojos y no batallar después. Ok, getting the shield and bolts on top of each. There's two of them, the left and the right. Okay, so I'm gonna take the left first, and I'm gonna do the you have to remove these bolts. Okay, let me see if you can be able to see it. They're kind of high, as you can see. There you go. All you gotta just lose them, take it off, and then we go from there. Okay, As you can see right here, I just lose the bolt. As you can see, there you go. Pretty easy, very simple. It's loose. So now I'm gonna continue to do the other side. Okay, so be careful. There's kinda sharpy edges around here, so don't cut yourself. That one is loose, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that one over there. Okay, the other one is the same. It's hiding right there in the middle, and you just lose them. Okay, next we're gonna lose the nuts from the bolts from the transmission cross member with a ratchet, and just lose them. Don't take it over all the way. Okay, just lose them like the manual says. I'm kind of follow the manual, but unfortunately sometimes I do different way, you know. There you go, just lose them. Okay, don't look at my gold, you know. I know when you do mechanic, you're not supposed to be wearing any gold. But anyways, okay, now lose the hanger here. Take off the bolts all the way. Okay. Alright. Remember, support the transmission before we remove all the bolts. Okay. I'm just warning you guys. Support the transmission. I did it with a jack and a piece of wood. Okay, block wood. Okay, or wood block is the way you say. Sorry about my accent. It's kind of weird sometimes, you know. All you gotta do is just take it off all the way, like that. And okay, now my videos, if you subscribe to my channel, it's not only Spanish, okay, it's English too, as you can see. Okay, so if you subscribe to my channel, you're gonna get two versions, Spanish and English. Well, my supposed to be English, you know, version. Okay, this is the cross members bolts, so just take it off all the way. 4 of them, one side and then the other side. Sorry to move the camera so quickly, so there you go. I'll try to get a better view for you guys. And in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to take them apart. Okay, put it together, just do the same way. Okay, it's hard to me to do it sometimes, all of them at the same time. Okay, I'm just using an impact, as you can see, an impact. Alright, use a ratchet and your how do you say, your ratchets and the socket. This was kind of on the way. I mean, there you go. Boom, 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 boom. Push it with another point in the front, and you should be good. Okay. I'll try to do it. Oh, let's do it. I should be edit this video right here. So all you gotta do is just get something point to toward, like that. Look, there you go. Okay, now I'm gonna remove it. A couple hits here, a couple hits over there, and you should be able to, as you can see in the jack in the back is holding the transmission. Okay, so be careful, guys. There you go. You just put it on the side right there. All you gotta do is just remove it. Now we're gonna remove the transmission mount right here. Pretty easy, pretty quick. Okay, and then it's only 2 bolts too. Like that. Use a breaker bar, remember, otherwise you're gonna hit yourself. And that's it. I'm gonna use my impact to take them off all the way, quicker and faster and easier. Alright, So remember guys, you're gonna subscribe to my channel. Every video that I make, I do in Spanish and English. I try my best, you know. You can see my Spanish is my my language, but I'm learning both of them, you know. So I try to do my best. Okay, so you put the new one back on. Just point it with this bolts by hand first. I'll drop the bolt, I think, once. There you go, there you go. Oops, oops. There you go. Oops, my bad. Hold on. Let me put it back again, okay? Remember, I'm not a professional mechanic engineer. This is my hobby. This is what I do for my hobby. Well, I'll do a lot of things for my hobby, okay? So be careful. Just read instructions all the time. Secure your car. This is not. This is just entertainment for me. This is for entertainment purpose. So be careful, guys, and that's the most important thing. Safety. Okay. All right, put it back on right there. Now it's nice. Okay, so everything else, yeah, put it back. Everything back in reversal. I'm just showing these transmission mounts, little bit crack, not bad, but you know, since I replaced the engine mounts, I'm just gonna replace this one too. It's a little crack down there, you can see. Okay, so this we just decided to replace it. Thank you very much, guys. If you like, subscribe to my videos, subscribe and make a like or dislike, whatever is easy for you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.